Yeah.
We're recording it.
Yeah, this is going to be a YouTube video for my YouTube channel.
Your pool will be famous.
Yeah.
Swimming dogs, is that the genre?
Yeah. Well, we have chickens.
Swimming chickens?
No, chickens that are doing nothing really.
Why don't you bring your chickens over? Put them in the pool.
Let's see if they swim.
You're too fast. Ah, there you go.
You never know how animals are going to react when you on film.
You think they're going to go wild?
No, not go wild, but you can't tell if they're going to put on a good performance or if.
I know. I'm lame. I can't kick it very far.
I'll throw it.
Eggs from our chickens. I'll have these tomorrow. So they're fresh. Well, good.
Well, good food. Probably long enough.
It's coming up to 2 minutes. I'll stop it at 2.